What up, you guys? Today y'all tuning with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and today I'm bringing y'all in another wing video. I have cut up some chicken wings. I'm going to be making some crunchy honey wings today. So I already cut up the chicken wings. I had some whole wings and I cut them up. Now we got some little winglets. I had about 12 chicken wings. So here we got some white flour. So here I have some garlic powder, onion powder, cornstarch, salt, black pepper, honey, soy sauce, lemon juice, brown sugar. I have parsley and Italian seasoning, apple cider vinegar. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and season up our chicken. So that's what the lemon juice is for. We're going to let it marinate. So you're going to season the chicken to your liking with salt and black pepper. So here I'm hitting it with some black pepper. Little salt. Let's get that nice and combined together. So you're going to let that marinate about 10 to 15 minutes. If you got more time, you can let it marinate longer. So what we're going to go over here and do is, so we're going to combine the cornstarch with our all-purpose white flour. You can just use, and then I'm going to put in a little salt and pepper just to your taste. And you just want to get everything mixed up and combined together. Now that our chicken has marinated for 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and put our wings in here, batter them up. Okay, now we're about to make the sauce. By the way, the description's gonna be, the ingredients gonna be in the description below. We're gonna add in all our dry ingredients. And first, we're gonna get them combined together. Then we're gonna start adding our liquids. And we're going to get everything combined together. Okay, so now in my pan, I'm going to add the sauce in. So now we're going to just let it come to a slight simmer, and then we're going to add our chicken in. Alright, so here we have the final product of crunchy honey wings. Again, the recipe will be below in the description. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by, checking out your boy Southern Smoked Boss. Hey, gonna be more videos coming like this with wings, man. Cause I can eat wings, I can eat chicken just about every day. If my wife will let me, but she like to have a little mixture of a variety different in there. But hey, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and push the subscribe button, it's free. Hey, thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.